Hi guys, and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to center a text layer onto a background. The first thing you'll need to do is select your text layer. Then go over to the top left here and select the second tool, which is called the rectangular marquee tool. Left click on it and then select the background. Once the background has been selected, you want to go over to the top left here and select the move tool. Left click on it, and then you'll get all these transform controls for alignment. On the left hand side here you have your vertical alignments, and on the right hand side here you have your horizontal alignments. So let's go over to the left hand side first. Here you will align to the top, here you will align to the center, and here you'll align to the bottom. So we want to align to the center, so we'll click the middle one here, and there we go. It has been vertically aligned to the center. Let's move on to the right hand side here and let's align horizontally. Click the middle one again to align horizontally. And there we go. The I'm shy text has been aligned vertically and horizontally in the center of the background. Thank you very much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, subscribe, and comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.